right now on Amazon, there are only really, in Australia anyway, only limited categories available. So it is entirely possible that what you've stumbled on, John, is a product that the category isn't available on Amazon in Australia yet. So you should definitely check that first before making any decisions about whether you should run with it. Given that the category is there, then what I have had great success with is taking a product that works really well in one market and then bringing it into another market. I've had ridiculous success doing that very, very simple thing, okay? So if you found a product where there are 130,000 searches a month in America, then do your research in Australia. It could be, Australia, Amazon, it's very, very new. Perhaps there's just nobody selling that in Australia on Amazon yet. So what I would check is I would check on Google AdWords and go and do your main search term on Google AdWords, see how many people are searching for it. I would also check on Terapeak, which is fantastic. The lovely, lovely Sue Josephson put us onto Terapeak, and that will tell you the number of people who are searching for that product and the number of sales that are being made of that product on eBay. So I would also look at that as well. And what you're doing is you're putting together disparate data points and then forming and evaluating or formulating an opinion about the likelihood of success of that product on Amazon in Australia. So for instance, if you were selling, let's take something glib as an obvious thing. If you were selling Ugg boots in Australia, nobody would search for Ugg boots in America, but clearly people search for slippers and things like that all the time. So it's just a case of tapping into that existing thing and selling into that then given marketplace. And it could be that you found something like that, John. So oftentimes when I'm looking for product ideas, I will use merchant words. So type in something like cool, for instance. Well, just see what comes back from the word cool. So what can I find from cool? Can I find cool stuff? Or what the hell does that mean? I don't know. Cool gifts. What's a cool gift? Cool gadgets. What are cool gadgets? Cool gifts for women. So people, blokes for sure, are going to Amazon and typing in cool gifts for women because they want to buy a gift that's cool, possibly for their lady in their life, for instance. So you can use a strategy like that to find all sorts of random things and then see if they will sell on Amazon in Australia. And I've done that with great success, and it works really, really well. So the short answer to that, John, is it depends. Go and do your research, have a think about it, and that will guide your decision making for that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, and post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.